Hi, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Kelly.
Hey, I'm Jocelyn. My name's Jackson.
And this is Jonathan.
Hi guys, so we're back, and today we are going to be talking about downsizing, minimalizing, or just getting rid of junk. Whatever you want to call it, that's what we're doing. If you're new to our channel, the reason we're downsizing is we have aspirations of being a full-time RV family, and that means tiny living. When we do get into an RV, we know that we're not going to have a small RV, so it's not like we're moving into a 28-foot travel trailer and we have to be super, super, super small. The reason that we're doing this isn't just to be able to fit into an RV, it's also to have less stuff. We want our boys to remember the things that they did, not the things that they had. Alright, so for us, that meant that we had to go through our closets and our kitchen. We have gone through every single thing that we owned. We have touched everything, and on every item we asked ourselves the question, do we use it? Do we need it? And if we do need it, does it fit? The closet in the boys' room honestly is just an extra storage room. So as you can see, I'm pulling everything off the shelves and I'm deciding which boxes I needed to go through, which ones we still kept. Quite honestly, the majority of our closet is my husband's clothes. He had clothes in here from when he was in high school. We have actually kept some of the clothes that he still has from high school. But to be fair, he does still wear them, and yes, they do still fit. Clothing for me was not hard. I have recently lost about 50 pounds, so the majority of the clothes in my closet actually don't fit me. So that was pretty easy for me. We took a bag full of Jeremy's clothes to our local church, and then we took 6 contractor bags full of toys and clothes and linens and extra stuff to Goodwill. We sent a ton of toys home with my brother and sister-in-law for their new baby boy. And honestly, we still have so much more stuff than we need. The boys' toys, we will have to go through again. As I kind of have gone through this, I've realized that even though there is value in some of the toys that the boys have, I mean, they've got great toys. It's not like they don't take care of them or we don't use them. But I've realized that we have more than we need. All right, so one area that I don't have video of is our books. And I honestly, I have gone through them, and I got rid of about a third of them. I'm not ready to get rid of all of them. They are on a bookshelf right now, and until I have to get rid of them, I'm going to hang on to them. Once we get to the point where we're actually moving them into the RV and deciding which ones will fit, then at that point, I will go ahead and take the time to go through them again. But at this point, I'm just going to keep everything until I know for sure that they won't fit, because I love books. So that's where we're at with downsizing. We still have another round, maybe 2 to go, hopefully only 1 more time. Hopefully we've learned enough through this first round to only have to do this 1 more time. Everybody has extra. Everybody has something that they don't need, that they don't use, that they store in the top of their closet at the back corner that they haven't touched in years. My challenge to you is go look in any one of your closets. Anyone. If your closet where you keep your clothes is too daunting, maybe go into the linen closet or into your kids' closet and pick out 5. Just 5 items. 5 items that either don't fit or you haven't touched in years, and take them to Goodwill, or even better yet, find somebody who needs them. I'm willing to bet that it won't be as hard as you think to find 5 things to get rid of. Alright guys, so I hope you have found the information in this video to be helpful and at the very least entertaining. Alright, so until next time, we're on to our next adventure.